So, baba mo muna, Chester, yung mukha mo para hindi ka mahirapan. Alright, there you go. Now for the invocation. Now, Lyrex and Cheska Marie. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate the love you have discovered in each other and support the commitment you're about to make. Today, as you join yourselves in marriage, there's a vast and unknown future stretching out before you. Today, you enter as individuals, but you will live here as husband and wife. Your lives blending together and expanding the ties of your family. Embarking upon great adventure through which all of us now you will prevail. And now let us go for your exchange of vows. Do you have any vows that you would like to say to one another? Master and vows as they have. So once again, palapakan natin ang ating couple para sa kanilang exchanging vows. Lyrex, you may go first. So here's the microphone. Palapakan po natin ang ating groom na si Lyrex para sa kanyang vow para sa kanyang magiging wife.
Hi, Joe. From PM is the key to Will You Marry Me? Nagsimula tayo sa collab ng kanta na umabot pa ng 1,000 views.
Wow.
Tapos, nag-alaga tayo ng baboy. Ngayon, naging negosyo na. From kwentuhan, kulitan, hanggang pagkaibigan. Salamat sa pagtitiwala, pagtsatsaga. Salamat sa pagmamahal, kahit minsan ng gulo kong kausap. Hindi man perfect, pero kinaya natin. Para sa tatay ko na nasa heaven, alam ko pa masaya ka sa nangyaring ito. Ito yung tanong mo lagi sa akin noon, kung kailan kami magpapakasal ni Ikay. Ito na yun pa. Kaya simula pa lang ito, marami pa tayong pagsubok na magdadaanan. Pero alam ko, makakaya natin ito. Kapag mali ako, mali ako.
Haluin mo.
Kapag mali ka, mali ako. Kapag mali tayo pareho, ako lang ang mali.
Kayo na.
Pero nung pinili kita, yun ang alam kong tama ako.
Yes.
Padabata ka do, hindi ka na nag-iisa, hanggang sa huling utot ko, kasama mo ko. Love you.
Alright, palapakan po natin ang ating groom na si Lyrex. Now, Cheska Marie, is your turn. Any message or words that you would like to say para sa iyong mag-inas? Palapakan po natin ang ating bride na si Cheska Marie.
To my Lyrex, when you came into my life, the world was heavy with fear and uncertainty. It was the time of pandemic, when I almost gave up waiting for the right one.
Oo.
My prayer was simple. Lord, if it's not your will, I will accept it. But please guide me and keep us safe. And then life led me to YouTube, where I found not just a passion, but the very answer to my prayers. What others call a season of hardship, I will forever call the season when love found me. From a simple PM is the key, our story began. In the midst of the storm, you became my calm. You turned my fears into courage and my doubts into I just realized years back then, yung prayers ko, na sana, kung ipagkakaloob ng Diyos, yung para sa akin, sana yung magaling kumanta. Or yung marunong mag-gitara para lagi akong kakantahan. Then came the day we finally met sa live stream sa YouTube. You were playing the acoustic guitar. Tapos ang ganda ng boses. Yun nga lang, madilim.
Pagtatago.
My last wish on my prayer was sana yung maputi. Kaso sabi siguro ni Lord, masyado kong maraming wish. But God gave me someone far better than I ever imagined. Someone who truly loves me and whose love is genuine and unconditional. LDR was never easy, and neither was wedding planning. But through God's grace, we made it. Together, we fought, and together, we stand here today. Thank you for teaching me to appreciate simple things. I thank God for you, for being strong for me, for waiting patiently, even when I couldn't give you all of my time, for making sure I was safe, and for reminding me to trust in God. You are kind, not only to me, but to everyone around you. You honor your parents, and you love mine as your own. I truly appreciate all of your efforts, and I will always be proud of you. You are my safe place, my answered prayer, my biggest miracle. Salamat sa Diyos, kasi simula ngayon, may sasalo na sa bawat lyrics na makakalimutan ko. May magtotono na kapag nasisintonado ako. May boses ko, magiging boses ko kapag napapaos na ako. Today, I vow to cherish you, to stand with you through every challenge, and to love you with a heart that has found its home in yours. I promise to be your best friend, your partner, your prayer companion, and your soulmate in the doing of our family. I promise to be your biggest cheerleader in every dream you turn into a business. Though I can promise not to prank you when you least expect it. Individually, we are strong. Together, we are unstoppable. But with God, we are complete. I love you and I can't wait to begin forever with you. Happy 4th year anniversary, Babs.
Thank you very much to all of you. Narin ko kanina mga challenges, mga pagsubok na hindi talaga mawawala na. Pero lagi lang tatanda, like I said before, yung two words, no, learn to love and trust one another. Mahalin yung bawat isa at magtiwala kayo sa bawat isa.
Ladies and gentlemen, Nyrex and Chincha! Where the table nuggets! Let's go, Hey, hey, once again, let's give it up for Nyrex and Chincha! Ayan na, dahil nandito na po ang newlywed couple, unlock na po ang kanin at ulam, kailangan natin i-unlock ang dessert at drinks. So kailangan po natin sumayaw lahat, everyone. Show some love, gayahin niyo lang po ako. Okay, let's celebrate! Show some love, DJ! Let's do the dance hall music.